iki cyumweru no gutumbira ingororano.
But this week is focusing on the reward.
Turacyari kumwe.
Are we together?
N'Abaheburayo 11:24 gusa kuri 26.
This is in Hebrews 11:24 to 26.
Kwizera niko kwatumye Mose ubwo yari amaze gukura yanga kwitwa umuhungu w'umukobwa wa Farawo, ahubwo agahitamo kurengananywa n'ubwoko bw'Imana, abirutisha kumara umwanya yishimira ibinezeza by'ibyaha, kuko yatekereje ko gutukwa bamuhora Kristo ari ubutunzi burutu bw'abanyegiputa babitse bwose, kuko yatumbiraga ingororano azagororerwa. Amen.
By faith, Moses, when he became of age, refused to be called the son of Pharaoh's daughter, choosing rather to suffer affliction with the people of God than to enjoy the passing pleasures of sin, esteeming the reproach of Christ greater riches than the treasures in Egypt, for he looked to the reward.
Ndagira ngo nongere mbasabe kuwa gatanu wundi.
I would like to request that next Friday,
itorero,
the entire church,
abana bo muri famille church,
the family members or the church members of Zion,
muzaze kuwa gatanu tuganire.
please come so we will talk.
Kuwa gatanu wundi. Next
Friday.
Apana yejo yindi.
Not tomorrow, next Friday.
Nongeye kubatumira ka.
Please come again.
Muzaze tuganire.
Come, let's talk.
Ku cyumweru tuzongera tubibutse.
We'll remind you on Sunday.
No kuwa kabiri no kuwa kane.
And on Tuesday and Thursday.
Muzaboneka.
Will you come?
Imana ibahumuje.
God bless you.
Okay. Umuntu afite utuntu twinshi ariko kareba se.
I have a lot, but sometimes it's not easy to
kwigisha
finish
kuri ibi
it.
ngibi.
There's a lot to teach.
Gutumbira ingororano.
Focusing on the reward.
Mu buryo bw'umwuka.
In the way of the spirit.
Cyangwa se mu buryo bufatika.
Or in the tangible way.
Umuatlete wiruka.
An athlete on the run.
Barya biruka.
The ones that run.
Abazi ko natsinda bamuha igihembo.
They know they will receive a reward when they win.
Icyakora.
However,
icyo akora muri uwo mwanya.
What they do right there.
Iyo yiruka muri stade.
When they are running in the stadium.
Muri kotimwe.
One side.
Harabamuzomera kugira ngo ananirwe.
There are people who are against him waiting for his defeat.
Kuko bafite babo bafana.
Because they have their other fans they are supporting.
Mu yindi kote.
The other side.
Harabamushima ngo courage.
There are those encouraging him to go fast.
Icyakora muri we.
What he does in him.
Ntiyumva arabamu encourage arabamu decourage ntabumva.
He ignores those discouraging him and those encouraging him.
We abareba ikamba riri hari.
He focuses on the end reward.
Abona za televiziyo z'isi zihagaze hari.
He sees the TVs, the live TVs around the world on him.
Paul aravuga ngo kimwe cyo ngo nibagirwa ibiri inyuma.
Paul says that I forget what is behind
kugira ngo singire ikiri imbere.
And I press on to what's ahead.
Hari ikintu kiri imbere.
There is something ahead
turakigeraho.
That you have not attained.
Utujwi twiruhanze.
So push aside all the noise aside.
Reka kureba udukene tw'uyu munsi mu buzima bwawe.
Ignore all your poverty in this world.
Donc reka gutinda ku bintu bidafite akamaro.
Don't dwell on trivial things.
Hari ikintu imbere.
But there is something ahead.
Kandi iki kintu.
That thing
gisaba babandi.
Requires those people.
Biyemeje.
That have purpose.
Kukigeraho.
To attain it.
Mu buryo mu kiguzi cyose gisabwa.
For whatever price it may require.
Kubera ingororano Mose yabonye imbere.
Because of the reward Moses saw ahead.
Zatumye ahitamo ibintu bitanu.
It made him choose 5 things.
Nizo ngira ngo nganire namwe uyu munsi.
Which we'll talk about today.
Yabonye ingororano hakurya.
He saw the reward ahead.
Iyo ngororano kuyigeraho bisaba iki?
What does it require to attain that reward?
Burya hari ikindi kintu kiruta ibindimo.
Is there something greater than the things I'm involved in now?
Umwanzi wo gutera imbere nukunyurwa ahuri.
The enemy of your progress is you being comfortable with your comfort zone of being content with what's not right.
igihe unyuzwe naho uri,
When you become content with your comfort
tugira
zone,
imbaraga zo kwigira imbere.
you don't have the energy to push yourself forward.
Ariko iyo wumva utaranyurwa aho hantu nubwo abandi babona hakomeye,
When you feel that there is more you want to attain, even if others seem to think it's okay,
wowe ukumva muri wowe nturagerayo,
inside you, you feel you need more.
ibyo ni ibimenyetso bigaragaza ko hari ikindi kintu wabonye abantu batarabona.
Those are signs to show that there's something you've seen that others don't know about.
Kureba ingororano yabonaga imbere
Focusing on the reward ahead
zatumye agira amahitamo 5.
required him to choose or make 5 choices.
Ijambo rya mbere,
The first one,
kutazongera kwitwa umuhungu w'umukobwa wa Farawo.
to decide not to be called the son of Pharaoh's daughter.
Mose mu gitondo kimwe arabyuka,
Moses awoke one morning,
babona nyina
the mother,
ari we mukobwa wa Farawo,
who was the daughter of
abandi
Pharaoh.
baza kumupfukamira,
Many were coming to bow to her,
akababwira ngo umuhungu wanjye naza.
said, let my son come to me.
Mose akaza
Moses would come
akamwita mama,
and he would call him
igitondo
mother.
kimwe
One morning,
aravuga ati no,
he said, no.
iriya ngororano mfite hari
The reward awaiting for me
ntabwo ihuye
is not equal to
n'iri zina nitwa.
the name I have here.
Iri zina
This name
ntirizanyemera kugera hari
will
imbere,
not allow me to get to my reward.
nubwo abandi bagira ngo mfite amahirwe,
Even others think I have opportunity,
nubwo abandi bifuza ahantu ndi,
and others are desiring my current position,
nubwo abandi bumva ngo ibintu kuri wangire Mose di,
and others are wishing to be Moses like me.
we yaravuze ngo no ahantu ndi
He said, no, where I am
ntiyazamperimeta kugera ku ngororano yanjye.
will not permit me to attain my reward.